Let's see how to open your iPad if you forgot the password. In the first step, open Settings. Now go to Face ID and Passcode. Then press on Disable Passcode. In the next step, attach iPad to a PC. Later launch Finder or iTunes. Now select your iPad. In the next step, hold down the power button. Now continue holding as you connect it. After that, let go when recovery screen shows. In the next step, hit Restore in Finder or iTunes. Now allow the process to complete. Now reconfigure your iPad. In the next step, follow the setup steps. Now pick a new passcode. After that, retrieve data from backup if possible. You are good to go.